Hello my friends and welcome once again to another episode of Tony's Bits on the Side. If you don't know what that is, Tony's Bits on the Side is a separate playlist on the Tony's Comfort Kitchen channel, where I cook a whole range of side dishes, simple salads and do some food prep videos. However, having said that, today's dish isn't one of those. It's I guess you could call it a main meal, something you can sit and eat in front of the telly when you're watching football or whatever. And I'm calling it salami pizza fries. So brilliant comfort food. As you can see, we have chips, fries, whatever you want to call them, potato, tomato, you know what I mean. And to those, we're going to add some, there's 300 milliliters of tomato puree, or tomato paste, whatever you want to call it, passata, you name it, whatever. And into that I have added half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of oregano. Oh god, here we go again, pronunciations. And so, oh yes, I've also added some salt and some black pepper, cracked black pepper as well. So that's it, we're all ready. So what I'm going to do now, we're going to fry the fries. Okay, so we have the oil on my deep fat fryer heating up to 190 degrees centigrade, which I think is 370 degrees Fahrenheit. Although I may be wrong, I think that's right. And I'm going to add the fries, the chips. Now here I've got, I didn't say earlier, I have 450 grams of fries here. So we'll plunge them in. And we'll cook those for a few minutes until they're lightly browned, and after this will be going in the oven, so they'll cook even more. Okay, that looks like the chips, fries, fried, lightly golden, just right. So now we'll take those out, we'll put them in the roasting tin and we'll get on with the rest of the dish. Okay, so the chips are ready to bake. They're fried, now they want to bake. We're going to put some of this tomato sauce over the chips, over the fries, as you would with any pizza. Then we top with shredded mozzarella. I think there's 150 grams here I've got. Spread it all over. And finally top with bits of salami. And it's ready to go in the oven. Right, so it's going to go in the oven for around about 10 minutes, 10-12 minutes, basically until all the cheese is melted and it's looking good. The oven will be 200 degrees or 400 Fahrenheit, and yeah, job's a good one. Looking forward to it. Oh my goodness gracious me, my friends, this looks absolutely epic. So it's been in the oven for about 12 minutes and it's looking really good. I'm just about to put some jalapenos on there to get a bit more colour and a bit more spiciness. Come on. Right, time to dig in. Mega. Ooh, right. Don't know if it's too hot for me to eat yet. Oh. Absolutely fantastic. Oh. Who would have thought? Pizza topping on fries. Absolutely mega. Very cheesy, very tomatoey, very chippy. Absolutely amazing. Perfect dish for anyone to try while you're watching the television, say a football match or whatever. Great to sit in front of the television dinner. As ever, all the ingredients and the measurements will be in the description below. I mean, there aren't many, but I may as well put them there anyway. Anyway, if you like the idea of this dish, please like, comment and subscribe, as I usually say. It will be mega, and I will see you all in the next video. Until then, guys, peace and love. Peace and love.